quick little vlog. We're at this random car meet, the Hot Wheels Legends car meet. There's a bunch of crazy cars, 240, what else? Miata, the Type R, Lightning McQueen, Supra. Land Cruiser. It's like as tall as me. Turbo. Right-hand drive. This Porsche Titan. Never seen one of these in person. With the matching wheels. Chaser. Full ride interior. Guys, this might be cleaner than the white one. Carbon pop-ups. Is this an SR? Clean. This is definitely drift spec. Japan drift spec. Coffee can power. VIP parking. Clean R33. Wide body. Insane. Okay, I'm picking the camera back up a couple days later. This will be part 2 of day 6. And today, we're keeping it very simple. Bucket. Soap. Sponge. I'm gonna clean my car. Let's get to it. Also, very hot outside. My little setup. I'm wearing all black, so hopefully I don't regret this decision. So the car is pretty much all washed. The bad part about it being Florida is that it's hot and you can see all those little sunspots. The soap dries up really quick, as you can see. Usually I kind of soap half the car and then rinse it and then soap the other half, but for the sake of the video, I was trying to get all these different shots and the soap pretty much dried up on the car. And it being bipolar Florida, it'll be hot and then cloudy, look like it's gonna rain, and then back to sunny. Yeah, so the car's pretty much all rinsed off. I forgot to mention, I don't have one of those foam guns that attaches to the pressure washer. I just kind of put soap in the bucket, as you saw in one of those first clips, and much wiped it with the sponge. If you do want to support on this channel for better equipment, you can go to my clothing brand and go buy something that'll really support different things that I do. You know, not just getting a foam gun, but also investing in an Osmo, better clips, because I am filming on my iPhone, which is nice. I like the iPhone. It's really good quality. Eventually I want to get an Osmo and experiment with that. Also, this I just saw while I was washing the car. I guess this trim piece is like really sun damaged and started to crumble right here. On this side it's fine, but it's starting to crumble over there. This car is 2018, so 7 years, but even then that's pretty new. I'm gonna get a rag and put more water and try to get all these spots out, but like it's really hard because again, you see how hot it is. It's hard to get stuff done in this bipolar weather. Other than that, I'll finish the car off video. I just want to say thank you for watching day 6 of this little series. I'm having fun doing it. On my last video I actually got a good amount of support, 3 extra subs, which is, you know, compared to all these big YouTubers, but you shouldn't compare. I'm happy with 3 subs. I'm happy with 1 sub. You know, I'm just trying to put content out there, put stuff out there that I enjoy making, and all these videos I love. All these videos I enjoy filming and doing all that and experimenting with different shots and stuff. And I just want to get better doing all that. I will see you in day 7, the next video. Thank you for watching.